Done ready, guys. Ah, este. We don't know yet, guys. By tapok-tapok na lang taan nino. Kay kung asa mo dapit mag-support, dito na lang mo magtapok-tapok. Ana mo ang white team, guys. Ay, nadan na lagi because they're taking the what ma? You see, they're taking the something. So mana guys, kay gipanghuha naman nila ang katong mga kuan barrier. Kasi tawagan na yung mga cones and mga something for the like that for the game. So that's all for today. So the sunny seasons and the nice weather. So good luck to the manamang small boy, guys.